Hi guys, today we are back on Rans Tech and we are here to learn how to stream live channels using VLC. So let's dive into it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So first you search for VLC. So after you are done, you look for media and you click on it and you look for stream, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl X and you look for network and click on it. Let's wait and you type in the link there. After you are done, press stream and next and next and next onto stream. So you wait whilst it's converting it. So you wait a while so that you can enjoy our movie. Thank you guys. Subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you.